தமிழ் ஆப்தான்.
Now you can able to see my screen.
Bro, some Wi-Fi problem. That's why it's disconnected.
In your side.
Yeah, my side. Now it's okay.
Okay. Now you can able to see the screen. Okay.
Yeah. So we only use one link from next class. We only use one link.
Okay.
You just click that link every time. We
Okay.
use only one link. Okay.
Okay.
And after when we finish the class, you do recording because I don't have a recording option here.
Okay.
So you do recording and I will convert and send it to me.
Okay. That's all.
Yeah, but that is we can save time in that because we're spending too much time.
Yesterday we seen about data types and introduction to .NET framework. Today we are going to see about decision making and branching and looping statement. Okay.
And I did some
assessment. Right? Yesterday I was given
assessment.
Okay.
Yeah, the area of circle, triangle, and square. Polygon I didn't do it. I didn't get time to do that.
Okay.
So rest of things I did it.
Okay. So
I'll show you after we finish the class. So after I'll show you.
Okay. Fine. So directly we go for class. Wrong list type lah, please make it.
Why it taking a long time?
No, first time project it will take more time. Opening project. Creating the project it will take time. Just 5 minutes, that's all. Okay. So normally, what are the decision making statements we are having? I will tell first. Okay.
So this is all decision making statements.
Yeah, decision making statements. Branching and loops. And branching, decision making, and branching and looping.
Because in last class we saw the basic concept of loops.
Basic concept of loops. Basic concept of loops we will see. Before that we have to see decision making and statement, and after that we have to see how to define our user defined function, and after that we move for classes and objects. Okay.
Thank you.
So this one is basic. We have to know that already. We know that in C, C++ we studied. So simple if statement. Okay. Simple if statement. And if else statement. Else if
Very small.
ladder and nested if else. Okay, so these are the four basic things we studied in C, C++, whatever language we are having these four. Okay, simple if else, else if ladder, nested if else statement. So what is the definition for if statement? If statement, what it will do? If the test condition is true, means it will goes to the statement block. Okay, what do you mean the scope of the block? What do you mean the scope?
Scope. I don't know. Scope.
Yeah, scope. So scope means so where your starting point. So void main. This is the starting point of our my program. This is the end point of our my main program. Okay. So how we will identify how we start our scope of your program. So this is wherever we point out this open bracket closing bracket. This one is known as prototype model.
Okay.
Okay, this model can have some block of statement. Okay, we are going to write the identification text. Okay, we are going to write number of statement within that. So this can identify with the help of the curly braces, butterfly bracket.
Okay.
Okay, so where it butterfly bracket starts from or where it end with butterfly bracket, which is known as our main scope of the block. Okay. It starts from here and ends from here. Okay. Similarly, every user-defined function and predefined function class, whatever it is having scope of the block. Okay. So it starts from curly braces and ends from curly braces, which is known as scope of the statement or scope of the block. Okay. So now I'm going to create a if statement now. If
So this is the scope space.
yeah, scope space. Okay, so wherever you can
Scope
create
space.
it. Okay, so now I give the value a equal to
Block.
yeah int a equal to 100. Okay, int b equal to 200, and going to find if a is greater than b. If the test condition is true, what will happen?
It will come inside the bracket.
Inside the block. It is not a bracket. Okay, inside the scope of the if statement. Otherwise, it goes to the next statement. Okay, so I'm going to write console.writeLine. Console.writeLine. A is greater than b. Okay, so now how many
But the
statements?
condition is false here.
Yeah, condition is false only. I'm going to explain now. Okay, how many statements I can able to write? Everything will be considered as a within scope only. This will be executed. If the just condition is true, A is greater than B, A is greater than B, 7 times will be executed. Otherwise, it goes to the next statement. So I'm going to write the next statement of scope console dot write line. Okay, this is next statement of if. Okay, is next statement of if. Okay, so if the state condition is true, means this 7 line will be executed. Okay, otherwise it goes to the next statement. Okay, so now at the end, now I'm going to ask 2 more questions from you. Okay, so what is the scope of main function? It starts from here. Okay, and
Ends from here. Yeah.
okay. What is scope of if statement? It starts from here and ends from here. Okay. If the rest condition is true, means this block will be executed. Otherwise, it goes to the next statement. This is line number 1. Can you understand this? This is line number 1. This is line number 2. This is line number 3. Okay. Okay. So this is line number 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, 3.4, 3.5, 3.6, 3.7. Okay. So after that, it will go for this line. This one is line number 4. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So now this is line number 1. Can I understand? Can you understand now? This is line number 1. Okay, static void main. This is within the block. This is line number
1.1.
very good. That's all. That is the concept. Okay. So now I'm going to run this program. So we will get the next statement of if statement. That's all. So I will change the condition now. A is less than B. What will happen? This 7 statement will execute first, and after that, line number 4 will execute. Okay. So now see.
Okay.
Okay, fine. This is simple if statement. Simple if statement.
But why it's the last statement is also executing?
Last statement also
showing.
executing. This is the next statement of if statement. This is not belongs to the if statement. Okay.
Okay.
So,
Because we closed the bracket, so
yes.
it only executes this 7.
See,
A is greater than B, right?
See, we are not going to write only 7 lines. Only one statement of block we are we are not going to write within our program. We are having multiple number of blocks and multiple number of lines, multiple program structure we are going to write. So within statement block, this is one block. Okay. Then next statement will be considered, and also going to write another one statement to check our condition. The statement also going to execute within our program. If the statement is correct, means it goes to the loop statement block. Otherwise, goes to the next statement, next condition. Okay, this is also considered as next condition. So now I'm going to.
Okay. I have one question. Only one question.
Yes.
The condition is true now, so it only execute the scope of if
Yes.
function.
Okay.
So it will not execute this the after the bracket.
What I did here, I'm going to explain what is going on inside. Okay, this is not belongs to the if statement. This line is not belongs to the if statement. Okay, this is belongs to main function.
I understand.
Okay, so now I'm going to give else statement now. Okay, and B is greater than A. Here also write some conditions. Okay, so 5 lines I was created. B is greater than A, B is greater than A. So this is now. So if the just condition is true, if statement will be executed. Okay. If the just condition is false, else statement is executed. So
else statement is executed, and this one is also executed.
Yeah,
this is the last one.
This is not belongs to the if statement. Okay.
Okay.
Now you understand. Okay.
Yeah.
So I put the condition as A is greater than B. Okay.
So now the if statement will execute, and the last statement will execute. Okay.
Okay. Fine. Okay. One second, bro.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. So now I'm going to give at the runtime value. How you will get the input at the runtime? Console dot integer. First you have to convert it. Convert dot.
One more thing. Why we giving console dot read key here?
Which one?
Read key.
Read key. We are not giving a read key. What we don't can't able to stop your screen. Otherwise it goes to the end. That's why we are giving a console dot read key.
Okay.
To wait for user input. Okay. Console dot read line. Okay. So similar to we are using C, gets no. Okay, get the input at the runtime. And console dot write line, I'll give one input. Please enter the value A and B. Okay. Okay. So I'm giving the value 250. Okay, that's all. It's working fine.
Okay.
So now I'm going to get another one input to else if statement int C. So and also parallel we are going to see operators in C sharp. Okay. So what are the operators we are having? Okay. So in real time we are seeing, so like that I didn't explain one by one. So we apply our operators and decision making statement within a single program. Okay, everything. So operator, what are the operators we are having? Arithmetic operators.
And operator.
No, arithmetic operators.
So arithmetic operators. Those are and or.
No, arithmetic operators. What
So
are?
plus, minus, addition, subtraction,
Yes.
Division, multiplication.
Division and modulus. Okay, these are
So
the
I told logical operators. Those are logical operators.
logical operators. Okay, already we can see. Okay, logical operators. So we we are aware about that, how to use plus, minus, multiplication, division and modulus. Okay, so we know that how to use these things. So what is the purpose of using modulus operator? It is used.
What is the last sign here? What is the last sign
Modulus,
using?
modulus. For 10 modulus of 5, what is the result?
Modulus.
Remainder value. Use the remainder value to the user.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So logical operators. So logical operators what are? And or type symbol how to use, and not. Logical and logical or logical not. Okay. So 2 times you have to use pipe symbol. Okay. These 3 are logical operators, and after that relational operators. Relational operators. What are the relational operators? Less than or equal to, greater than, and greater than or equal to. Okay, equal to, not equal to, etc. Okay, similarly you are using like that. So now assignment operators. Assignment operators. Assignment operator only we are having equal to operators. Within that we are having shorthand assignment operators. Okay, what do you mean by shorthand assignment operator? Plus, equal to. Okay, see, if I am going to give the value a equal to a plus 100, so instead I write a plus equal to 100, the same meaning. Okay, so minus equal to.
Equal to a plus 100.
The operands are both in backside and front are same, means you rewrite as a plus equal to 100, the same meaning as a equal to a plus 100. That's all. A minus equal to. So now I'm going to minus with a equal to a minus 50. Okay. Instead you can write it a minus equal to 50. The same meaning. Okay. Shorthand assignment operator, these things. And multiplication equal to a equal to a into 5. Instead you write how you will rewrite this, a into 5. That's all. and again I'm going to rewrite it. Division equal to, okay, a equal to a divided by 2 I'm going to give, okay. A rewrite is a divided by equal to 2, okay. So and similar way you can use modulus also here. A modulus equal to, this is shorthand operator, a equal to a modulus of 2 you are giving, okay. So instead you can rewrite is a modulus equal to 2, okay. So and next, increment and decrement operators. Increment, what are increment and decrement operators? Bro,
Huh?
what are increment and decrement operators?
Plus plus minus minus.
Yes, plus plus
Like
minus minus,
minus.
okay, okay. A plus plus means it increments one position, one value,
Yeah.
okay. A minus minus means it decrements one value, okay. So now next I'm going to do uh, conditional special bitwise operators. Bitwise operators, okay.
Right.
Bitwise operators, that's the turn of bitwise and bitwise or bitwise XOR, that's all. Inclusive or and exclusive or. I will explain later, okay. So now let me go for our program, okay. We use a relational operator already, okay. Less than, greater than, only two you use by the rest of the operators, okay. And after that I'm going to give another one variable to get the input, C. So, okay. Okay. So now I'm going to use the condition and check condition A is greater than C, okay. So I'm going to found the value with within that, okay. Use double bracket front side, that otherwise it will show an error, okay. So now A is greater than B and A is greater than B. See, if the test condition is true means what it will do, A is greater than,
B is greater than B.
no, A is greater than B and
C.
C. Is it correct? That's all. Okay. So and after that again I need to check the another one condition. Else, okay. B is greater than C. Is correct. Okay. So B is greater than A and C. Okay. And after that else again I'm going to give what is the final statement.
B greater than C.
B we already checked, A already we checked, and finally we will give the result
Greater
as
than
C is greater than A and B. That's all. Suppose we are having some condition is going to be getting false. What you have to do? You got to give another one condition also here. Okay, and again you have to check. Don't want to record. You have to check. Okay, again you give the condition also here. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so now I'm going to explain this loop. So if we are having if statement, this is also if statement. If the test condition is true, if statement block will be executed. Otherwise, it goes to the next condition. Okay, else if data statement. If also else if data statement also the test condition is so false means it goes to the else statement. Okay, if in this three we can how any one statement will be executed, any one statement block will be executed. Okay, and
Okay.
after that what will happen, this is next statement of if will be executed compulsorily.
Okay.
Okay, if you are using or what will happen here,
If any one condition
yes, true
is
means it
true,
will
it
goes
will
to
take into.
the inside the block. Okay,
Okay.
okay,
Now it will check both the condition,
both
and
the condition true
the
means
both
it will go.
conditions true, then only it will go into the block.
Yes,
Otherwise, it will go to next one, else if.
yes, yes,
Okay.
it checks everything. I will give the value first. A value is 100 and B value is 200 and C value is 300. C is greater than A and B. That's all. Okay. Are having any doubt in this?
No, no doubt. And
So, hmm,
we only use one else if or else and if one time only, or are we
no,
able to use the many times?
many time we can use it. No issues.
If we want to check another condition, we can shall we write another steps in if
Uh,
condition,
yeah.
another if condition?
Instead,
Okay.
I'm going to write here. Yes, wait. And also, B is greater than C. Instead, I'm going to write else if. Again, I'm going to check B is greater than A. Okay, like that you can check it. So, how many times you want, you can write it. No issues.
But only on else if or if
No,
and else.
no,
Even
no.
if also, yeah, we use it. Okay.
You can able to up to n condition you can able to check by using else if statement.
Okay. Only using else if. Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
up to n times you can able to create else if statement. If any one only one statement block will be executed within that. So if you
Okay.
create many if else statements, else if statements, there is no use. In this, any only one statement will be executed. If all the condition false means it will goes to the else statement. Okay.
Okay.
If any one condition will true means that the statement block will be executed. Okay.
Okay.
I understand. Okay. So now,
I understand.
okay. So now I'm going to give the next example. So nested if else statement. The same example going to explain within that nested if else statement. Okay. If statement within another one if statement. If A is greater than C. Okay. How to write another one condition? Yeah. C is greater than
B and A
A,
and
A and B.
B. B.
Okay. So the logic is here. Okay. So now we don't want these conditions to check. Okay. Here also you can write it. You rewrite this program also. Else B is greater than C. Instead I am writing a else statement. Okay.
Okay.
Fine. Okay. So if statement we can able to write within if statement also, and nested if else statement also can able to write another one if statement. That's all.
But this is looks a little bigger.
Yeah.
But if we use
If
else,
else,
then
yes,
it
it
will
will
be
be smaller. That's all.
smaller and it looks
Efficient.
good.
Yeah, efficient programming. That one. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
The same logic only here is. Okay.
Okay.
I'm going to give the value 100, 200, 300. C is greater than A and B. This is true. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Fine. Okay. Hmm.
Can you give me a 5-minute break?
Yeah, fine.
Because I'm going to open the fasting.
Oh, okay.
So just give me a 5-minute break
Okay.
and just pause the recording. And I'll
Okay.
come back. Just 5 minutes.
Okay, no issues. This one is only simple thing now. Okay. Okay. Properties. 4. 5. Just only one statement is missing. 6. Okay. Here. I have to change it. 3. 2. 1. Okay. So and after that you have to give here 0, yeah, dot. Okay. And after that equal to. Okay. And here you have to use plus. Similar way we are creating calculator. That's it. Minus multiplication and division. That's all. We created. Okay. So and after that I can also rename it. Properties. Okay. Button name. You can go for name. Button 1 is there. No. You have to give the name as btn underscore 7. Okay. Then only you can able to understand what's going on. What is the name of the button? Otherwise, this name of the button we can't able to code. Okay. So btn underscore 8.
First, I have to change the text. Then I have to
And after
change the
that, more
button
name of the button. Okay.
design name. Okay.
Okay. btn underscore 9. Okay. So this one is division. btn underscore division. Okay. btn, just copy it, underscore 4. btn underscore 5. You can just complete the task. Okay. Tomorrow we will complete this simple calculate project. Okay.
Okay.
btn underscore 3. Console only it will go will get boring. Okay. This one is very get interesting. Just you got to practice it. That's all. This one is btn underscore 0. btn underscore dot. btn underscore equal. Like that you can change it all the things. btn underscore add. Median underscore subtract. Yes. Median underscore multiplication. Okay. And yes. Awesome. Relation already we did. Okay, that's it. So after that, you need to code within our each and every button. Okay, I just run it and show how it will works. Okay. So text box property. If you are clicking means 7 means the value will be added in your text box. 4 means the value will be added in your text box. 3 means like that we will go to program within our program sheets. Okay, you have to go for click this link. Okay, btn underscore 0 underscore click. Okay, if you are clicking 0 button means it will add text box 1 dot text equal to add your text 0. Okay.
Okay. Have you changed this code? Have you came to this code?
Yes. You just double click it.
Part?
You double click this button.
Oh, okay.
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 Not a
So
string.
each button has separate coding.
Yeah, separate
like
code.
this.
Like this only.
Okay.
Okay.
Are we going to see going to coding now or later?
No, later on.
Later.
Into string, you have to convert it as string. Somewhat it is having an error. Okay, 0 will be executed. Okay, only one time. So similar way, you have to click all the buttons. Okay, you write the code for the corresponding code. Text box name dot text equal to what is the text 1. Okay.
Okay.
If text box 1 dot text sorry, we will see the coding on next class. Okay, it will take more time to start means around it will take 2 hours. That's code for one. Which one is equals code 3.
Okay.
I will give the for 3 here. Okay, now I add for 3. Okay,
Okay,
can be removed. It can be removed. We have to add it. Okay, we have to write a code for that. Okay, it will take around 1.5 hours to complete this task. Okay, so okay, bro. Okay, let us see on tomorrow. Have a weekend. Bye.
Okay, send me the recording.
Yeah, recording. I will send it to you.
Give me some homework for me.
Yeah, you just complete this task. That's all. That's it.
Which task? This one?
This one you can create this project, and also you can do it. And after that,
the calculator one.
Yeah, calculator.
Okay.
That is the task for you.
So today evening you're not going to come.
Yeah, today evening I won't come. Tomorrow only.
Tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow at what time?
Tomorrow the same time morning and evening also.
Morning. So morning, that is evening for me.
Evening. Yes.
Okay. Okay. So take care. Okay. Bye. You know how to convert and all, right? The MP4.
Yeah. I know.
So just send to my email ID so that I can go.
Yeah, I will send it. I know. Yesterday sent. No.
Okay. Then when I can do the follow up. So
yes, bro.
Thank you.
Okay, bro. Thank you. Bye. ಇದು ಒಂದು ಒಂದು ತರ್ಚಿ